news coming in on Monday 2014. Congress candidate from Tonk, Mohammad Azharuddin, has now spoken to Times Now. He speaks about a change in seat from Moradabad to Tonk. He dismisses speculation over being in talks with the BJP. Let's listen in.
From Moradabad to Tonk, is Azharuddin looking for a flat pitch that will really help him sail through in the 2014 elections? We have with us Azharuddin. Azharuddin, the story doing the rounds is that essentially looking for a safe pitch, and essentially Moradabad was not safe. You're essentially trying to get into the Rajya Sabha, into West Bengal, wherever, but not looking for a safe seat, and essentially you've been forced to really get into Tonk now.
No, I've never been forced to do anything in my life. I've never do anything by force. But I think it was a party's decision. I respect and abide by it. And as far as you said about the stories being circulated, I really don't believe it, because half of the 99% of the stories are untrue. Because I remember...
No, but you wanted to...
Listen to me. I remember there are so many times I've been to many places, like I've been to so many places, they start just writing that Azhar is going to fight election from Gujarat, one guy is saying pride from Moradabad, one guy is saying pride from the other. As far as Moradabad is concerned, I have done a lot of work. I mean, it is a party's decision. I don't believe in flat wickets. I believe in working hard for the party. I believe in working hard for the people of India. That is my most important thing.
You don't believe in flat wickets, but the fact is, we do know for a fact, you were trying to get into the Rajya Sabha to begin with. You were also in talks with the Trinamool Congress. There are also talks that you are in talks with the BJP, and you are now looking for a safe seat.
It's absolutely rubbish. What questions you are asking, I think it doesn't apply to me. And I think these are questions which I really do not like to say. I've always been a congressman, and I will always remain a congressman. I just want to clear that doubt.
You didn't want to, you were not trying to get into the Trinamool Congress or into the BJP?
No, never. It's all absolutely absurd stories. Wherever you got from, I do not know, but I think it's totally untrue, and it's
the BJP is still trying to poach you. The BJP is still trying to get you into its camp.
They can do so many things. I don't know why. Nobody has approached me, and I think I've already said it clear. I do not like to harp on it again and again. I think these are questions which I think should not be. You should be asking more questions about more how I'm going to do.
Okay. How you are going to do your performance, where your performance is concerned. If you want to ask a question about your performance in Moradabad, the point is that you've not done any work. That is a public perception. Now you are coming to Tonk. The question is, will you do any work here?
That's a wrong perception. You can go and see my site, because you should have done your story and come, because you cannot just in people today somebody will come and say something to you, you cannot believe and ask questions. Because I have my site, it says azhar.co. Anybody who's saying that I have not done work, they can really go and see in the site how much work is done. The work which I have done, I think from independence, right from 1952, I don't think any MP has done any work. And being a cricketer, I mean, for me it was first time in politics, the work I have done, I think everybody knows it, and I think people should see it before they talk. Or who are saying, you cannot just go by what people are saying, but you see how much the work is done, which is more important to me.
Okay, you're moving, the fact is, you can deny everything else, but the fact is that you're moving away from Moradabad. You're moving away from Moradabad, you're going to Tonk.
I'm not denying.
The point is,
things like that. Ask me a good question, I'll give you.
Okay, we're asking you good questions. We're asking you good.
Ask me a question which is not good. Please ask me good questions.
Fine, we're asking you good questions.
I don't want to say anything. I would have sent so many things. It's not nice. You ask me a good question, I will answer you. Just don't ask questions which are unrelated and not.
No, we are asking you uncomfortable questions, because that is the reality. That is the reality, and irrespective of the fact that I'm a lady or not, the fact is where Congress MPs are concerned.
It is not.
Okay, my question is, where Congress MPs are concerned, the sense one gets is whether it is Azharuddin or it is Manish Tiwari, it is anybody else, you're reluctant to contest, and the Congress are looking for candidates actually this time around. They're reluctant to contest, and everybody's actually contesting because Rahul Gandhi's really cracked the whip. He's saying you need to contest.
You see, everybody has his own opinion. What the other MPs are doing, I don't own them. I mean, they can do whatever they feel it's good for them, they will do it. And I never said I'm not going to contest. I think you have heard stories which are not true, because I think you're asking me, and it is not the question, asking me uncomfortable question. You can ask me any question, I will answer. But I think you should be able to listen to me when I say something. So